Hello everyone, I'm Farel Imran and today I'll be making a video on having some exciting AI news this week. Now the AI news that I'll be covering in this video, it's first of all Perplexity Pages. I'll be telling you all about it and then I'll be covering Elon Musk's xAI. After that, the copilot bot in Telegram. So, whether you can use it or not, that I'll be covering. After that, I'll be telling you about Mistral Codestral. So, that I'll be telling you about. After that, some amazing AI TV show that you can make. I'll be going through that also. And then lastly, I have a surprise for the students. It's an AI for the students that I'll be covering. So stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get started. As you have already used Perplexity for answers, explore new topics, and also expand your knowledge, now what new thing does Perplexity Pages does? So here this is a video so you can generate pages with Perplexity. For example, if you want to write a blog, you give the information to it, it will make you to a blog page. So it will convert it into a blog page and it will have some pictures and you can add some more pictures you can give it. So according to that, it will make a blog page. So here is a little video that you can have a look so that you can get more understanding of it. Now, after having a look at the demo video which I showed you, so here it's how it's a tool for transforming your research into a visually stunning and amazing blog or a content that you can make for a blog. So it's how it's transforming it. So now the things that sets Perplexity Pages apart is that it is customizable, means you can customize it. It is adaptable, means it can adapt or you can modify the structure of your article. You can add, rearrange, or remove the sections to like best or to engage your readers. And it's visual. The third, it's that it's visual. So you can also elevate or make it better, make your articles better with visuals, which is generated by pages and also upload from your personal collection or structured online. As this is a tool for everyone, such as educators, researchers, and hobbyists. And here you can see some more pages, which is by the Perplexity team. So here you can see how they made these things. So here you can see it. Now I'll be telling you about Elon Musk xAI supercomputer. Now, Elon Musk plans xAI supercomputer and the information reports about it. So what is doing is that he's planning for xAI supercomputer and he is gathering the funding also. So here he also said that he also recently told the investors that his artificial intelligence, the startup xAI, it's like planning to build a supercomputer to power up the next version of its AI chatbot Grok. So to power up its AI chatbot Grok, he is planning to build a supercomputer. Now he wants to get the proposed supercomputer running by the fall of 2025. Means in 2025, his supercomputer would be running. He's expecting, and he might partner up with Oracle to develop the massive computer. So here also he said that when completed, the connected group of chips, NVIDIA's flagship H100 graphics processing units would be at least 4 times the size of the biggest GPU clusters that exist today. So here they said because the connected group of chips, it would be more than the or at least 4 times the size of the biggest GPU clusters. So here they're saying that NVIDIA's H100 family, they dominate the data center chip market for AI, but can be hard to obtain due to high demand. So it can be hard for to obtain due to high demand. So he said because Musk founded xAI last year as a challenger to Microsoft backed OpenAI and Alphabet's Google. So Musk also co-founded OpenAI. So earlier this year, Musk said training the Grok 2 model took about 20,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, adding that the Grok 3 model and will beyond will require 100,000 NVIDIA H100 chips. So here you can see that Elon Musk is planning this supercomputer to charge up the Grok 3 because it's the AI chatbot. So next I'll be telling you the another AI news. So the next is that Microsoft Copilot is announced or released for Telegram. So now in Telegram you can talk to Copilot, you can use it. It would be your everyday AI companion in Telegram. So here it's now in Telegram and how you can access it, you can either use the try now button or you can also go I'll go to some other. Yeah. Here there are some frequently asked questions also. So here it says that it's an AI assistant which is powered by GPT model and Bing search and it's available within Telegram means inside Telegram you would use Copilot. And how you can start using it? You can use Copilot on the Telegram desktop and mobile app or on the Telegram web. So on the Telegram web or the desktop or app, you can use Copilot. And even in apps, you can use whether you have Android device or iOS. So in both these apps, you can use Telegram. Even in Mac OS or in Windows, you can use the Telegram. So the Copilot for Telegram, you can use it. And it's completely free to use. It's free for all users. And here you can see it's available for Mac OS, Windows, Android, and iOS. And here are some examples of what Copilot on Telegram can do. So here you can see information search, travel planning, fitness guidance, entertainment, leisure and laughs. And here you can see but the thing about Copilot is that it currently only supports the text chat request. So you cannot send images to it. So just in text, you can chat with it. And you can access also the Copilot by using add Copilot. You can use that. So here you can read some more questions. Now I'll be telling you some another exciting AI news. Now, the exciting AI news is that Mistral has released Codestral. Now, the Codestral is a model for coding. So, it's the first AI generative model for coding. So, because it's empowering developers, so you can do coding with Mistral AI. So, here you can see that it's a model which is fluent in 80 plus programming languages. And here you can see on 29 May 2024 this has been released. So it's the Codestral is the first ever code model and it's an open weight generative AI model which is for design or specifically designed for code generation tasks means you can do the coding and the code generation. So here it's fluent in 80 plus programming languages and the most popular ones are Python, Java, C, C++, JavaScript and Bash and it can also perform well on some more specific ones like Swift and Fortran. So it's good news for developers because you can do the coding and using the AI you can do your coding. And here you can see the code generation performance. So it's a 22 B model. So it's because Codestral it sets a new standard for the on the performance or latency space for code generation compared to the previous models used for coding. So here you can see the Codestral 22B. The context length is 32K. If human evaluation is 81.1%. Here you can see the markings, or you can see how Codestral is setting the bar and against the other models. Here you can see in Python, SQL, and more, you can see how. Now to get started with Codestral, you can download and test Codestral. Means Codestral can be downloaded on Hugging Face. Means on Hugging Face you can download Codestral. You can also use Codestral by the dedicated endpoint. You can also build with Codestral on La platform. It's a French word, I guess. Yeah. So you can also talk to Codestral on LayChat. It might be Leisha something, because the Lay is for French, right? And they're also developer community feedback. So you can get started and enjoy with the AI. Now I'll be telling you some more, which is more amazing than this one, and it's for TV show, the one who wants to make animations and who are interested in animation. That AI is for those. So let's go to that one. Now I'm here at the Showrunner. Now this is an AI for TV show. Now, whatever TV show that you want to make or whatever animation that you want to make, you can do it using Showrunner. And even the good part is that you can join the Showrunner waitlist for early access. Means you can add your email and then submit, or and then join the waitlist. Now, the Showrunner, you can even watch the videos regarding it, and from the text, you can make the animation. The good part is that you can see how the shows our episodes are with the Showrunner. Here you can see the storytelling, and there's some, you can watch the trailer of it. So just with the text you can make the animation, whether it's anime or whether in which format or whichever animation you want to make, you can make it with Showrunner. So this is an AI, and it's not overhyped. It has the real hype. Even some people are having some fear that the people who make the animations by hand or something like that, so AI might replace those. So they have this fear that AI might be replacing those. You can even skip the queue and first apply for it if you have an interest in it. Because see, you can have a look at the exciting AI platform which can create the next generation of AI shows. Or it might be that the show that you might make might be the next big thing. So now the lastly, it's the surprise which was waiting for students. So the AI which is for students, now that I'll be telling you about. The surprise is that OpenAI has released ChatGPT EDU, and that too 2 days ago. So here you can see on May 30, 2024, ChatGPT EDU was released. Now, what is this? Now, this is AI which is for education, and it's an affordable offering for universities, and to bring the AI to campus means you can use AI in campus. ChatGPT EDU. Now, what does it contain? So ChatGPT EDU is a version of ChatGPT which is for universities, and it's also to deploy AI to students, faculty, researchers, and campus operations. It is powered by GPT-4o. Here you can see that ChatGPT EDU can reason across text and vision, and also it can do some advanced tools such as data analysis. So here it would be affordable by educational institutions. So here you can see there are some how some campuses are using ChatGPT EDU. So here you can see at Columbia University, Professor Nabila El Bassel. So she is using ChatGPT to reduce overdose fatalities, and also her team builds a GPT which analyzes and synthesizes large data set. Undergraduates and MBA students also, they completed the final reflection assignments through discussions with GPT, which was trained on their course materials. So, because they reported that ChatGPT got them to think more deeply about what they've learned. Even an assistant professor at Arizona State University is developing a large custom buddies GPT for students with to engage in German conversations and suited to their language level. Also, so how they're saying that they're bringing AI to universities and to campuses. So here, ChatGPT EDU includes the access to GPT 4.0 and even advanced capabilities such as data analytics, web browsing, and document summarization, the ability to build GPTs, custom versions of ChatGPT. Also, it would have the higher message limits than the free version of ChatGPT. It would have improved language capabilities across quality and speed with over 50 language supported. So even here you can see the conversations are data are not used to train the OpenAI models. Here they say. So this is all about ChatGPT EDU. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.